Backup SAP HANA system. To backup SAP HANA system, go to the backup console, right click to open the context menu, select the backup type. There are three backup options available: complete data backup, differential data backup, and incremental data backup. Complete data backup includes all the data structures that are required to recover the database. Differential backups stored all the data changed since the last full data backup. Incremental data backup stores the data changed since the last full data backup or the last delta backup, incremental or differential. Then select the destination type. There are two options available again, the file and the backINT. File type. In the file type, write the backup data to the file system. When you select the file, the backup will be stored in the file system. BackINT option is for write the backup data through a third-party tools. The next step is specify the backup destination where you want to store the backup file. Default backup destination is the path specified on the configuration tab of the backup console. The default backup path can be changed. The destination where the backup is going to be stored, we have to ensure there should be a sufficient space. Next step is specify the backup prefix. To identify the backup, we have to specify a unique backup prefix. Usually recommended. Choose next. A summary of the backup setting is displayed. If all the settings are correct, choose finish, and the backup will be started and initiated. Let us see how we can take the backup of the HANA system using the Eclipse IDE. Click on the backup under the instance. Click on the backup wizard. The backup setting window will appear. Select the backup type, complete, differential, incremental. The destination, whether file or backINT. The backup destination where you want to store the backup file. This is the default destination which is set up in the backup console. And the prefix of specify the prefix of the SAP HANA system backup. Click on the next. A summary of the backup setting will be displayed to the backup. Click on the finish. The backup process has been started as in progress. We can see the index server backup is going on. And now the backup process has been completed successfully. We can go to the backup catalog to see whether the backup has been stored. On the right hand side, we can see the details of the backup. The status, successful data backup we have taken, file is started at, and the finished at, duration, the size of the backup, and the location of the backup. This is the location where the backup has been stored. And what are the services and the file has been taken backup. We can see the details at the bottom. To delete the backup, right click on the backup, delete data backup. This will delete the selected data backup. To delete the older backup, we can select the delete older backup option. It will ask whether you want to delete from the catalog or you want to delete from the backup location also. So if you select this option, catalog and backup location, it will remove from the catalog as well as the file system. From the file system, it will completely remove the backup from the file system as well as catalog. Click on the next. It will show you what all things is going to be deleted. We can see that we can set the configuration for the backup in the configuration tab. The default destination we can set for the backup. We can change the default destination. We can do the setting for the log backup. We can set the interval. We can set the destination for the log. So this is an overview of database backup, how we can take the backup of a SAP HANA system. Thank you.